This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit West Bengal and Assam today. He will lay the foundation stone of various development projects at Dhikia Juli in Sonitpur district in Assam. Mr. Modi will launch Assam Mala aimed at improving state highways and major district roads network in the state. Assam Mala will provide quality interlinkage roads between the national highways and the rural roads network, as well as facilitate seamless multimodal transportation. The Prime Minister will also lay the foundation stone of 2 medical colleges and hospitals at Biswanath and Cheirao. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has assured of the centre's assistance for the welfare of the tea tribe in Assam. She said that for the welfare of the tea garden people, 1,000 crore rupees have been announced in the budget for Assam and West Bengal. Attending the Assam government's Cha Bagicha Dhan Puraskar event in Guwahati, Mr. Sitharaman said the Prime Minister Narendra Modi is very much concerned for the welfare of the tea tribe. Appreciating the Assam tea brand, Ms. Sitharaman said the government is committed to improve the condition of tea workers. Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal said that the Assam government and centre took various measures for the benefit of the tea workers. The vaccination drive against COVID-19 continued in Meghalaya, with 646 head workers having turned out for the inoculation drive across the state yesterday. So far, 6,859 head workers in Meghalaya have been vaccinated with Covishield, a senior official in the health department said. Meghalaya reported 24 new COVID-19 cases yesterday, all from East Khasi Hills district. 3 more recoveries were also registered, surging the number of recoveries cases to 13,596 so far. The Directorate of Health Services informed that the number of active cases in Meghalaya has gone up to 102, while the number of deaths stands at 147. The total number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in Meghalaya has reached 13,845. Nagaland yesterday reported 22 fresh cases of COVID-19, all of which were detected in Kohima from among traced contacts. The state also recorded 5 recoveries, which included 4 from Dimapur and 1 in Kohima. The total confirmed caseload in Nagaland now stands at 12,148, while a total of 11,829 have recovered from the infection. The number of active COVID-19 cases in Nagaland was 85 as per the latest count. Manipur Chief Minister N Biren Singh yesterday inspected Kangla and took first-hand account of construction of bridge over Imphal River and Cheirao Ching Eco-Tourism Park. The project is likely to get inaugurated within this month. He said that the state government is committed towards protection and preservation of sacred sites of Kangla. Mr. Singh also said that the Union Budget 2021-22 would lay the foundation of ease of living because it has underlined the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat. The Tripura Board of Secondary Education has announced the examination schedule for Madhyamik and Higher Secondary Examinations 2021. The Higher Secondary Examination will start on the 18th of May with English and end on 11th of June with Geography. The Secondary Madhyamik Examination will start on the 19th of May and end on the 4th of June. The Madrasa Alim Fazil Examination will end on the 19th of June. Around 50,000 students of Class 10 and 30,000 students of Class 12 would be appearing in the examination this year. In Manipur, the War on Drugs campaign initiated by Chief Minister N Biren Singh with an aim to make Manipur a drug-free state has encouraged even those villagers who themselves planted poppy plants from which opium is made. The villagers of Poyi near Ukhrul have been practicing poppy plantation as a livelihood means. However, they destroyed poppy plants grown in their villages to mark joining the supporting the campaign. Appreciating the move, Manipur Chief Minister announced a reward of 10 lakh rupees for the village yesterday. He also instructed the officials of Horticulture, Agriculture and Fisheries Department to find out suitable alternative livelihood activity for the villagers. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.